SHOT Show Range Day 2024. I'm with Auburn at the HuxWorks booth, and they have some crazy new stuff here. One of these things is like, I'm kind of angry because I want one of these so bad and it's not really available yet.
Yep, can't have it yet.
But we're gonna get to shoot it. So let's just talk about that first. You guys have a brand new shotgun suppressor. And it's kind of designed specifically for a shotgun. And so just you tell it.
Yeah, so what you're seeing is the Ventum 12K. So everyone's seen our new Ventum line. Really, the Ventum line is that you got a stainless steel housing, a removable core.
Yep.
But this is our first flow-through shotgun suppressor dedicated to basically the breaching shotgun right now on Genesis. So this is only compatible for that.
How about that?
Back all safe?
You got a breaching cap. Basically, the internal core, I have this torqued down. I'd love to show you guys a little bit of the core, but the internals, very similar, but some really cool technology behind showcasing what we can do with different ammunition types with the shotgun. So it handles buckshot, birdshot, slugs, all your training slugs, but really focused to help reduce PBI.
What does this weigh?
In weight, we're looking on that guy is 10.8 ounces.
So it is super duper lightweight.
Super light.
Yeah, so I mean, guys, this feels like a feather, and yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I can't wait to shoot this.
Yeah, you're gonna have. Yeah, we got the 7.5.
So I don't want to say anything I shouldn't here, but obviously this is designed for a specific shotgun, but you now have the tech, and so it's not going to be that hard to adapt this, and everybody can see where I'm going with this.
Yeah, I cannot wait for the future to see what happens, but yeah, it's just kind of showcasing what we're innovating on.
Okay, well, all of us are ready for you to hurry up.
Well, let's see if we hit fast forward soon.
Okay, so we got 3 other new suppressors here for SHOT Show. So this is a 22 Rimfire, it's a 3D printed suppressor.
Yep, so the very first flow-through 22 suppressor, all monocore, 3D printed in grade 5 titanium, so very lightweight. The biggest thing is added precision on this guy. So if you like shooting 22 long, it's also dedicated for 5.7, so multi-caliber rated.
So basically any rimfire.
Any rimfire, full auto rated, but because of the flow-through technology. Amazing sound. The thing is incredible. Obviously, there's not a lot with 22s, but the tone on this thing is incredible.
Wow.
And really the thing is that it's repeatable, very repeatable. Cool. So those of you guys who love long-range shooting with 22s or competitions, this can is an incredible added benefit to that, or a good feature for it.
Okay, so I have to ask this. You can't take this apart.
Nope.
So how do you clean this?
So it's a monocore. So we actually have a new product coming that's going to be, so basically it's a solvent trap. Like you want to soak it into something. You can run it through ultrasonic cleaner, but we have a new product called Suppressor Sauce that we'll be showcasing at the booth that's powder form.
Okay.
That is created for something like this that runs through a part A for carbon removal and a part B for metal but in particulate removal. So that will be the best cleaner solution that you'll see on the market for it.
Okay, it's super light, guys. All right, this is a new can, and this is a 6.
Yep, so this is the Flow 6K, so the new dedicated 6mm can, so basically covering, you know, all your things below 6 arc, so you got your 6 arc, 6 max, 6.5 or 6 Creedmoor, and then your 5.56 and all your 22 long, anything within there. But this is compatible with our 5.56 QD muzzle brake and flash hider, and our new our new QD flash hider 6 and muzzle brake 6. Right now, this is available exclusively with Geisley for just now, but you'll see right after SHOT Show we'll have these available kind of within the next month or two. That will go heavily commercial, but Geisley has a new launch with their GFR rifle with it currently, which will be just for a few weeks.
Okay, so this is definitely a little bit longer and a little bit heavier than your 5.56 Flow.
As far as the difference is, your 5.56 Flow is about 12.9 ounces. This is actually 12.4, so it's a little bit lighter. Still 17.4 stainless steel, fully 3D printed. So you're seeing all the added benefits that you would on your 5.56K that you're now seeing in the 6K.
Okay.
So awesome for hunting, and also really it's a diverse can. So you have it for great insurgent things, whether you're professional running it for different stuff, home defense. But I love it. If you're a guy who loves the 6 arc and what that platform can do, this can is incredible for its performance too.
Okay, all right, guys. There you go. So there's that. And then what's this can?
So this is our new full-size 5.56. So this is the Venom 5.56. So all you guys have seen the Venom 7.62. So same design that you would see with the removable cores. You got removable end caps. It's hub compatible with all the flow-through technology. You have a stainless steel housing, so traditional CNC manufacturing mixed with your 3D printing, just like you would. So you get the amazing performance of flow-through and all the added benefits. But now a full-size 5.56. So compared to our Flow 5.56K, you're seeing the sound difference within flow-through. So you're seeing that increased sound performance, which is really the goal with that.
Gotcha. So we just did a full review. You can go read it on Guns America on the 30 cal version of that can.
Yep.
So it's published on Guns America now. It's free. Go read that. I think Riley Baxter's the one that wrote that. But yeah, now you got the 5.56.
And that one will ship with your 1/2 by 28 direct thread compared to the other one with the 5/8 by 24. Nice. So fully ready and dedicated for 5.56.
Okay. All right. So let's just hit the price points real quick. So 22 Rimfire, or not just 22, but Rimfire Suppressor.
Yep. So you're looking about $499 for that guy MSRP.
Okay. The 6.
You're looking about $1255.
And the dedicated 5.56.
That guy we're looking at about $996, just like our 7.62, and then no price or anything yet for the Venom 12K. So more to come.
More to come, guys. There's going to be more to come. All right, Auburn, I appreciate you running us through those. Guys, go to HuxWorks.com for more information. We've done reviews on these suppressors from HuxWorks at Guns America. They perform great. You can go there and learn more as well. So appreciate your time today, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
So like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time here at Guns America.